Hallo alle sammen, FX her. I dag skal vi spille noget Harry Potter og Fangen fra Azkaban. Og jeg har fundet det at spille på nettet, og jeg synes vi skal da prøve det. Så tænker jeg at lave sådan en lille serie ud af det, og så må vi se hvor det tager hen af. Så lad os bare begynde. Og jeg har lige prøvet at se efter hvordan det fungerer med sightings og sådan noget. Det fungerede helt fint, så vi tager en ny en her. Så det bliver helt fint at se hvordan det her kommer til at fungere. Jeg kan huske at jeg spillede på PlayStation, da jeg var meget mindre, men det er også ved at være lang tid siden. Det er vist ved at være godt vel 5 år siden. Og det er ikke sådan, at jeg mente det startede på PlayStation den gang. Kommer lige en kort film af, det skulle I se. Uha.
It says here that Sirius Black has escaped from the wizard prison Azkaban.
No one's ever broken out before.
12 years ago, Black murdered 13 people with a single curse. Well, at least we'll be safe at Hogwarts. What's wrong, Harry? Ron? I overheard your dad talking about Sirius Black last night. The Ministry of Magic thinks he's after me.
Black's escaped to come after you? Oh, Harry, you'll have to be really, really careful. Don't go looking for trouble.
I don't go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds me.
But they'll catch him, won't they? I mean, they've got all the muggles looking out for him too.
Scabbers, come back!
Uh-oh.
Keep that monster under control.
Calm down, Ron. You don't want to wake Professor Lupin.
Okay.
Don't worry, Ron. We'll help you find Scabbers.
Skal jeg prøve at se efter, om jeg kan huske det her. Hvordan er sat controlsene?
Oh, brilliant. Scabbers could have gone anywhere.
Okay, jeg håber på højre museklik, og vi gør den her. Okay, venstre det er
Chase
det.
doesn't understand that it's wrong to chase scammers.
Sådan der.
You can cast Alohomora to open that door, Harry. Hold down the left mouse button to activate your wand.
Keep holding while you move the mouse to aim your wand. That's it. Alohomora. Take off the mouse.
Jeg er sgu da ikke dum.
Cast a spell. There he is.
Hold kæft, den rot der, den har vejet meget.
We just need to walk up to it and we'll be able to start climbing.
Ja, det ved jeg da godt.
We'll have to jump up to climb over those crates.
Right then, you lead the way. Walk forward towards the crates and click the right mouse button to jump.
Jeg er sgu da ligesom ikke dum.
Let's pick up these Bertie Bott's beans. Fred and George will trade some wicked stuff for them at their shop.
Okay.
I suppose we'll have to push this thing out of the way.
Nej,
One of
virkelig.
us could cast a pulso. Depulso!
Nice
A
one,
locked
Hermione.
chest.
Right,
There's
now
usually
where's
Alohomora on these.
Cast Alohomora to open it, Hermione.
Så der står det for den her også der. Ja, lad os lige tage den der. Sådan der. Skal jeg have den anden her. Flyt dig for helvede. Jeg skal have en. Hov.
Alohomora!
Hvad fanden?
Alohomora!
Ej, nu må det holde.
Alohomora!
Nå. Nu er for meget af det gode. Hvad helvede, din tjuvknægt? Stjæler du den bare fra mig?
Goodness. If we walk into this save book, it'll store our adventures up to this point.
Nå, gør det virkelig? Og jeg ved heller ikke, hvor lang tid jeg vil komme til at optage det her, så må vi få at se.
Scabbers went behind that wall.
Oh, really, Ron? You might think about training your rat.
Wow, it's a magically locked cabinet. We need to cast at the same time to open it. All three of us. I'll start, and you two join in.
Kæft, Ron, han ligner en, der har været på speed.
What's that thing?
It's a gargoyle, of course.
Cast Lumos at it, Ron, and a secret area will light up.
Nå.
Lumos! Watch out!
Bugs! Does everyone remember how to past Depulso.
Ej.
Depulso! 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 Oh yeah, that was loads of fun. Depulso!
Så lad os da lige komme ind og få den chest her. Ja. 35.
Wicked! A chocolate frog! I'm not so sure about this carriage. Oh, what's in those cages?
We're definitely not supposed to be in here.
Can't leave Scabbers, can we? Come on, follow me.
Efter det er min mening, så synes jeg godt, vi kunne efterlade den.
Well, look who it is. Hottie and the Weasel. I should have known the pathetic excuse for a rat had something to do with you.
Draco Malfoy. So they put you in the creature's carriage, did they? Probably the only place you could find a friend.
Actually, I do have a rather interesting friend I'd like to meet. Everyone play nicely now.
Oh no. What's that monstrous looking book?
Actually, I believe it's a copy of the Monster Book of Monsters.
Pass the pages.
We'll knock them out of the air, Harry!
Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! We should run!
Rick the Scepter!
Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter!
Rick the Scepter!
Rick the Scepter! Rick the Scepter!
Uha.
Well done! Is it okay to scream now?
Ron, you really do need to work on the accuracy of your spell casting.
A wizard card. I love collecting these. If we search around another Hogwarts, we could find all 80 collector's cards.
We can look inside the Folio Universitas after picking up a collector's card.
Scabbers!
Press the escape key and click on the picture of the
You've
card.
given
at
us
the
a
top
lot
of
of
the screen.
trouble, you useless rat.
Come on, let's get back to our compartment before we're missed.
Prøv han lige rotten ind i lommen. What the fuck? Mit øre. What the fuck?
What's happening?
Jeg ved, at det kan være. Uha.
Harry! Depulso! Ron, do whatever you can to block the door. I'll go for help.
Lock the door? What's out there?
Ja, det er din mor, der står derude.
Depulso!
Hvad er det ellers? Åben for helvede. Åben. Åben for satan.
There's got to be a way to block that door. Depulso!
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit,
None
man.
of us is hiding Sirius Black under our cloaks. Go!
Harry, are you all right?
Yeah. What happened? What was that thing?
A Dementor. One of the Dementors of Azkaban. We better head back. We'll be at Hogwarts in a few minutes.
Are you sure you're alright, Harry? Fine. I'm fine.
Okay. Der kan man bare se, hvad der sker ombord på et tog, når på vej til skole. Det skal jeg huske at lade være med, når jeg er på vej til skole. Så er det godt, der ikke er tog her, hvor jeg
Harry,
bor.
Ron and Hermione were delighted to be back at Hogwarts. Harry's encounter with the Dementor had caused him no serious harm, other than a growing feeling of dread. The three friends hurried to their first class of the term, anxious to resume their lessons.
I'm Professor Lupin. your new Defense Against the Dark Arts teacher. Our first lesson involves the spell Carpe Retractum. Ron Weasley, would you please join me?
Me? Are you sure? Hermione's loads better at spells.
You'll do fine. Just step through this door to begin.
What the fuck? Jeg bare gå igennem random dør og se hvad der sker. Det er altid det vi gør på en skole. Jeg ved jo aldrig hvad der kan gemme sig derinde. Boom.
Hello? Professor Lupin?
Welcome to the Carpe Retractum Challenge, Ron. There are 10 challenge shields scattered throughout the challenge. Some are well hidden. Find all 10 shields to earn a visit to the Bean bonus room. If you don't find all the shields your first time through, you can always come back. Complete the challenge by collecting the final shield. Let's get started. Carpe Retractum has 2 primary uses. To pull yourself towards something, or to pull something towards you. See if you can find a statue to cast the spell at. Then, watch what happens.
Okay.
Carpe Retractor. Depulso! Carpe Retractor!
Excellent. You can also use Carpe Retractum to pull certain levers. See if you can find one on a wall and try it out.
Ja, det er jo egentlig foran
Carpe
mig.
Retractor! A spongify tile. I think I remember how to use these. Or maybe not.
First, cast Spongify on the tile to make it bouncy.
Spongify!
Now, leap onto the tile to spring into the air. Remember, click the right mouse button to jump.
Jeg tvivler på at jeg skal derned.
Carpe Retractum can also be used to pull things towards you. See if you can find something to cast at. Then climb up onto it.
Ja, det må være her et eller andet sted.
Depulso!
You can jump over pits like this one, Ron. Hold down the forward arrow key to run towards it. When you get to the edge, continue holding the arrow key and press the right mouse button to jump.
Depulso!
Depulso. Ja. Nej.
Depulso!
Det skal nok gå en beskæg.
Depulso! Depulso!
Hvad gjorde den?
Carpe Retractor! Oh, great. Alohomora!
Lad os se efter vi kan prøve at kollekte alle kortene måske. Og sørge for at vi kan få alle skjoldene. Det kunne være fedt hvis vi kunne det.
Carpe Retractum can also be used on certain ropes. Now give it a go.
Hvor blev den af?
Carpe Retractor! Carpe Retractor!
Nu fader jeg. Det var jeg heldig. Jeg var så sikker på at jeg lige skulle fail. Så stort. Mine næver de bliver sat på prøve nu. Så for satan. Nej.
Professor Lupin? That thing doesn't look very friendly.
That is an imp, Ron. Beware. It might throw exploding wizard crackers. Spells may not be effective in this situation. Try not to let the wizard crackers touch you while they're in the air. When they land, you can pick them up. But be careful. If you're not quick enough, the crackers will explode.
Nice to know.
Go ahead, Ron. See if you can pick up a wizard cracker and throw it back at the imp. Perfect. right, Ron. Now let's put your training to the test.
Åh!
Test?
Splendid, Ron.
Oh, right! Pumpkin pasties! These are worth a lot more than beans. Hello, Mora!
Der var sgu ikke ind.
Hello, Mora!
Jeg skulle lige til at sige, at det var en jump button, men det var det så ikke alligevel. Er der ikke noget hemmeligt herinde, man kan gøre? Dog ikke.
Spongify! Oh no! I hope that noise isn't what I think it is. Richter Sandra! Richter Sandra! Richter Sandra!
Åh, shit. Blå gnomer. Blå smølfer.
Richter Sandra! Richter Sandra!
Blå smølfer. Jeg hader smølfer. Ja, okay, det gør jeg ikke.
A cauldron cake! I'll bet they're worth loads more than beans in Fred and George's shop.
Er der ikke noget herinde, man lige kan gøre sådan en eller anden smart ting? Og dog ikke.
Deposo! 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 Deposo!
Jeg har 3 indtil videre. Så jeg mangler bare lige de sidste 7 stykker. Ja.
Not too sure about this. Can't pay retractor.
Du giver fandme ikke slip nu.
Can't pay retractor.
Nej! Nå. Jamen så vil jeg også prøve at falde ned en gang.
Can't pay retractor.
Hvad fanden sker der for mig? Okay, nu er den derovre. Nej, det kan jeg ikke.
Can't pay retractor. Can't pay retractor. Can't pay retractor.
Oh shit, du er lige tæt nok på.
Retractor. Can't pay retractor. Can't pay retractor.
Ja, så hopper vi bare herned. Ja. Så det kan man bare se. Bum.
Deposo. Deposo.
Sådan der. Nej, ikke op ned. Ja. Hop. Faktisk ville det være pænt træs, men så faldt ned der.
Deposo. Deposo.
Hvad var det? Det var noget, det var en lyd, jeg ikke brød mig om.
Pay retractor. Hello, Mora.
Mora.
Professor?
That's a fire crab, Ron. Be careful. It can shoot fire out of its, out of its backside. Cast Rictus Sempra to knock it over. Then cast again as needed to knock the fire crab into the trap.
Fuck, nogle syge prutter.
Sandra. Richter Sandra.
Skal det som ikke det?
Richter Sandra.
Tak.
Please tell me that's the way out. Richter Sandra. 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 Richter Sandra.
Den vej der, for helvede. Jeg er ned med dig.
Hello, Mora.
Jeg tror jeg er på ret vej. Fuck mig.
Can't pay retractor.
Whoopty. Så tror jeg skal hoppe herover. Små smølfer igen.
Can't pay retractor.
Ja, det er ikke ligesom da jeg spillede det på PlayStation for mange år siden. Det er fuldstændig anderledes det her.
Carpe retractor.
Oh shit, skulle jeg take a slip. Så smutter vi lige kør for sat. Sådan der. Op.
Carpe retractor. Carpe retractor.
Hold op, mand. Der er godt nok mange ting, man skal huske på her. Ikke lige vent til. Nå, jeg skulle lige til at sige, hvor fanden er vi kommet hen? Nope. Nope.
Carpe retractor.
Jeg skal herover.
Carpe retractor. Carpe retractor. Carpe retractor. Carpe retractor.
Som man kan. Så hvad har vi herinde? Spændende. Det er godt nok lidt udfordrende det her spil her. Og også lidt gammel, men det er det, der gør det skide skæg. Jeg skal lige finde ud af, hvad der er derovre. Kan jeg tage jumpet? Det kunne jeg. Ja, 6. Der mangler kun 4 tilbage. Okay. Loading game. Spændende. Nej! Jeg fik godt nok lidt chok. Så skal nok ikke have en af de der ildprutter på mig. Hvad fuck? Kan man, der kan man da komme op. Hvad er det den her vej på? Spændende. Nice. Shoot. 3 mere. Wow, bare skyd den ud over det hele. Sådan der. Her er videre. Hvad skal vi nu? Save. Nej, der vil jeg også gerne lige over først. Carpe retractor. Carpe retractor. Carpe retractor. Sådan der. Må jeg få dig lige noget her, om jeg gerne vil have? Undskyld mig. Carpe retractor. 2 mere, så er vi der. Shit. Okay, så har vi den. Nej. Kast. Au. Nej. Undskyld for, at jeg nyser. Dø for helvede.
Alohomora! Depulso! Depulso!
Det er en efterfølge, det der.
Rick Decembra! Rick Decembra! Rick Decembra! Depulso!
Ej, hvor træls var det da ikke også lige. Der skal vi ned.
Carpe retractor!
Nej, jeg synes... Det...
Alohomora!
Tænkte nok, at der lige var noget, jeg missede her.
Spongify!
Sådan der, så mangler kun en tilbage.
Alohomora! Alohomora! Depulso!
Kan vi gøre det en gang til? Ja, der var guf. En gang til.
Depulso!
Var lige kort der. En gang til. Så må vi videre.
Carpe retractor!
Så kom vi så langt.
Carpe retractor! Carpe retractor!
Whoopty-doopty.
Depulso!
Vi skal derover.
Carpe retractor! Carpe retractor! Carpe retractor! Rick Decembra! Rick Decembra! Hit! 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 Carpe retractor! Carpe retractor!
Okay, det er den sidste.
Well
Sådan der.
done, Ron. And you found all 10 challenge shields, which means you get to visit the Bean bonus room.
Nice.
Wow! This is the Bean bonus room.
That's right, Ron. Collect as many goodies as you can before the time runs out.
Spongify! Spongify! Spongify!
Shit. Hvor mange kan vi nå komme op på? Hvor mange kan... Skal vi sige 500? Hvis vi kan nå det, tror jeg da godt, vi kan nå det. Der er stadig en masse af tid tilbage der. Ja, skal vi sige 600?
Spongify!
Jeg misser godt nok mange her, det er træls. Ej, 600, sådan der. Ej, tiden er snart løbet ud for os. Ja, sådan der, så tror jeg så snart, at jeg kan noget mere. Sådan der, ej, det var fint nok. Vi klarede den sgu.
That was
Det var fedt.
fantastic. Where are we?
These doors will let us back into any spell challenge we've completed.
You can have another go at the Carpe Retractum challenge if you like, Ron.
Or we could go exploring. You lead the way, Ron.
Nå. Jeg tror, vi bliver nødt til at sige, at det var ved at være for den her tid, vi har optaget snart i hvert fald optaget en halv time i hvert fald. Så jeg tror snart, vi må sige, det var det for den her gang.
Look, I think we've come out in the side chamber.
I've heard about this room. These portraits provide shortcuts to every floor in the castle.
I wonder how we can get the passwords.
Harry Potter. Just the person I was looking for.
Hello, Fred. Where's George?
Upstairs, minding the shop. Early Christmas present for you, Harry. It's the Marauders map. It'll help you find your way around Hogwarts.
Wow. Thanks, Fred.
You can press the tab key on your keyboard to bring up this map at any time. Come on, follow me upstairs. I'll lead you to the shop.
Okay. Jeg tror, at vi lige følger... jeg tror, vi saver her, så følger vi efter ham næste gang.
We'd better hurry along to Fred and George's shop.
Jeg tror, vi bliver nødt til at sige, at det var det for den her
Sell
gang.
the most excellent chocolate frogs. I'm on my way up there now. Got to get my energy up for a Quidditch match.
Gider du godt at holde din kæft, når jeg er ved at afslutte en video her? Nå, men vi siger tak for den her gang, og så følger vi efter George der næste gang op til det der rum, hvor de sælger. Så har vi noget at glæde os til næste gang. Så FX takker af for den her gang. I må have det godt. Ses.